Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Repeat dua with me, kids. Rabbi shrah sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. So today we are going to start a new lesson from your Oxford book. It's a poem from your Oxford book, and the name of a poem is Sunny. This poem has been divided into three parts. In the first part, we are going to see about the introduction to the poem and the poet. So the name of the poet is James Sterling Tippett. He was an American educator as well as a children's writer. So in this poem, we are going to study about a dog who is very lazy but still he is dreaming about chasing a rabbit. So let's begin with the poem. So the name of a poem is Sunny. Old dog lay in the summer sun, much too lazy to rise and run. He flapped an ear at a buzzing fly. He winked a half-open sleepy eye. He scratched himself on an itching spot. He dozed on the porch where the sun was hot. He whimpered a bit from force of habit while he lazily dreamed of chasing a rabbit. But old dog happily lay in sun, much too lazy to rise and run. So here we are going to study about an old dog who is lying in the sun. Old dog lay in the summer sun, much too lazy to rise and run. He is very lazy also, and he is lying in a summer and in a sun. Okay, he is very lazy to get up and to run. He flapped an ear at a buzzing fly. So as I told you that the dog is very lazy to get up and to run, he is flapping his ear on a buzzing fly. Means when the fly is buzzing over his ear, instead of chasing a fly, he is flapping his ear, just flapping the ear so that the fly to get rid of this fly. Okay. He winked a half-open sleepy eye. Winked means to close and open an eye. So he is winking his half-open sleepy eye. Means he is already feeling a very sleepy, and he is also winking. Means he is closing and opening his one eye, half open. His eyes are already half open, and that also he is winking. Okay. He scratched himself on a itching spot as he dozed on the porch where the sun was hot. He scratched himself on a itching spot. Means he is scratching himself on the spot where there is a itching. Okay. And as he dozed on the porch, dozed means to fall asleep. Okay. On a porch. Here the meaning is also given. Porch means a roof placed outside the entrance. So he is sleeping in the roof which is outside the entrance, and with a half eye open, and he is very sleepy also. Okay. And as well as he is scratching on the place where there is a itching. Okay. So where the sun was, as he dozed on the porch where the sun was hot, he whimpered a bit from force of habit. He is lying on the sun. Okay. And he is also whimpered. Whimpered means to cry softly. He is whimpering due to the force of habit, means crying very softly. Okay. Making very low noises due to the force of habit, while he lazily dreamed of chasing a rabbit. And he is lazily dreaming also. Okay. He doesn't want to get up from the place, and he is just thinking and dreaming about chasing a rabbit. Okay. But old dog happily lay in sun, much too lazy to rise and run. Although he is dreaming about chasing a rabbit, he is flapping his ear on a buzzing fly, and he is winking his half open eye. He is scratching also, but he doesn't want to get up from the place, and still he is lying in the sun. He is very lazy, too much lazy to rise and run. So I hope all of you have understood this poem. This is a very easy and very interesting poem. So you have to write down these words. We have rhyming words for these words that has been given, and send me a picture on WhatsApp. So I hope all of you have understood, and you have to record a poem also, and with your voice, and send me a picture on send me an audio on WhatsApp. So let's wind up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.